Ready to work faster in SugarCRM? Let's go! SugarCRM's ecosystem of CRM, help desk and marketing tools can help bring out the best in any team. It's deeply customizable, meaning that it can suit users of every ability. That said, it's not obvious where the best quality of life features are. You have to click into a record for details when sometimes you just want a snapshot to give you the details that you need. Well, there is an option, and it's surprisingly easy to find. If you hover your cursor over a record with data linked to it, such as a contact or account, you'll notice this curious icon labelled Focus Dashboard. Click on this to reveal this pop-out from the right of your screen and marvel at all the information available to you in one place. You can configure your dashboards with dashlets that can give you everything you need, including logs for meetings and calls from within the drawer. No need to go into the record to log your calls anymore. It also supports tabs within the drawers, meaning you can open up details of multiple records without losing any previous information. You can even use these arrows to scroll to the next record up or down with all the same dashlets showing you what you need. Then when you're done with the record, simply click the X on the end of the drawer and you're back. Your workflow, only much faster. We hope that this showcase for the focus drawer can help take your Sugar workflow to the next level. But if you're unsure on how to get your dashboards looking how you want them to, then check out this video up here where we show you how to configure your dashlets to suit you. And if you'd like to know more about what Sugar can do for you, or if you have Sugar and want to upgrade your process flow, we can help with that. Check out our website in the description of this video. That's all for today though. Thank you for watching.